Hi guys, today we are going to cook lamb curry. Here are the ingredients. We have 1.5 kilo lamb guys, 5 medium cut potatoes, 1 tin of coconut milk, 2 tomatoes cut small, 2 dessert spoon of curry powder, 8 cloves of garlic, and 1.5 inch of ginger, pound it together, 2 teaspoons of salt for taste, some mixed curry spice, some dry curry leaves, 2 smoked medium green chili, half of red onion chopped small, some fresh coriander leaves. Let's get started. Now, the oil has been heated up for about 5 minutes. So we are going to put the spices first. Next is garlic and ginger. Just stir for a while till the garlic and ginger getting brown. I'm adding the red onion. Don't put too high the flame, just medium. I'm adding the curry leaves. Getting brown. We'll add the tomato. I'm going to add half of coconut milk. close for a while. Do 5 minutes. I'm going to check again. We're checking after 5 minutes again. See the meat, the curry getting drier. I'm adding coconut milk, the whole thing. You will stir, add salt, stir again. I'm adding potatoes. The meat already cooked. I checked just now. So after the meat cook, we add the potatoes. Potatoes will take about half an hour, about 15 minutes to check again. Close it. I'm going to check whether the potato is cooked. Just check the bottom first before you don't let the curry burn. Put low heat so it won't burn. Just give it a stir. Wait another 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, checking again. I'm reducing the flame. I'm adding the coriander leaves. Just close for a few seconds. After a few seconds, I'm adding the green chili. If you don't like green chili, you don't need to put green chili if you don't like. It's ready now. If too dry, you can add little water. Make sure don't burn the bottom. The lamb curry is ready. Turn off the flame. is our lamb curry. It's ready. Give thumbs up if you like it. You try at home. Thank you.